Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the Wellington dab pen filler feeder by Blue Demon. So we're going to give this thing a shot. It's made in the USA. Cast aluminum body on the unit. It's actually pretty neat. Pretty neat little... It feels good in your hand for sure. So the way it works, and Dab, if you're watching, leave a comment and tell me whether I'm doing this right or wrong. But so you feed the filler material in the back end, and it's got a little rubber O-ring, so you can see when I push it through, it extends that rubber O-ring, so that's keeping tension on your knurled wheel there. And then as it comes out on the other side, you have a little rubber wheel with it's cast aluminum, but it's got rubber grips on it, and then you just slowly move it like that, and then it feeds it in and out. Pretty neat. We're gonna give this thing a shot. Now, one thing I didn't know, or I was messing with here, is that when you move back, it feeds forward, and when you move down, just something to get used to in your mind. But that's pretty cool. So that's the dab pen. Let's give this thing a shot. Now, I got my FUPA 12 cup on there. Got some flexible tungsten in there. We're just gonna give this thing a run here, and might take a minute to get a little used to, but let's try it out. Wow, that's pretty neat. It takes a minute to get used to on that pen, but once you get it down, I mean, you can really lay it in there if you want to check that out. And I'm using that FUPA 12 cup. I mean, I got great gas coverage, but I mean, look at just stacking them in there. Beautiful weld. I mean, that thing's pretty sweet. Takes a minute though, you know, forward reverse to get it used to it, but works pretty good. If you were doing a lot of repeating welds, I mean, that would be, if you got your setup, you could just lay it out there real nice. Awesome little pen, cool little tool. I'd recommend it. If you got any questions on this unit, please leave them below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.